Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to find the product of the digit. We will be using Inputstreamreader method. These are the lines that you required for Inputstreamreader method. These three lines helps us to take the input of a number. We will be using two variables, rem and prod. Rem is used to extract each digit and store in it. Prod is used to calculate the product of the digit, and you have to take a note here that prod should be initialized to 1, otherwise the program execution will go wrong. We will be using while loop, and the condition for the while loop is n greater than 0. N greater than 0, that means the number should be greater than 0. Rem equal to n modulus 10, prod equal to prod into rem, n equal to n/10. Now let us understand the execution of this program. The logic for this program is this: while n greater than 0, rem equal to n modulus 10. N modulus 10, it extracts the digit and stores in it. Prod equal to prod into rem. This line calculates the product of the digits. N equal to n/10. It gives the quotient. This gives the quotient. This gives the remainder. Suppose I have given the input as 123. I have given the input as 123. So let's take the dry run of this program. 123 is stored in n. 123 greater than 0. Yeah, the condition is true. 123 modulus 10, it will give 3. Prod equal to prod into rem. Prod was 1. Rem is 3. 1 into 3 is 3. N equal to n divided by 10. N was 123. 123 divided by 10, it gives the quotient, that is 12. 12 is stored in n. 12 greater than 0. Yeah, the condition is true. 12 modulus 10, it gives the remainder, that is 2. Prod was 3. 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 is stored in prod. 12 divided by 1, it gives the quotient, that is 1. 1 is stored in n. 1 greater than 0. Yeah, the condition is true. 1 modulus 10, it will give the remainder 1. 6 was stored in prod. 6 into rem is having 1. 6 ones are 6. 6 is stored in prod. 1 divided by 10. N was 1. 1 divided by 10, 0. The quotient is 0. Now 0 is stored in n. 0 greater than 0? No. 0 greater than 0. This condition is false. So it exits the loop and executes the rest lines. That means this line, system.out.println, the product of the digits is equal to plus prod. The product of the digits is equal to plus prod. Prod was having 6. This is the output of the program.